The Building Construction Occupations course concentrates on the fields of residential and commercial construction. Students will learn through a variety of educational platforms: academic classroom work, hands-on lab activities, online learning, as well as field experiences. We are proud to now offer NCCER curriculum and certification options for all building construction students. Upon successful completion of the BCO program, you will be able to complete tasks to complete a structure. Some tasks that you will learn to do include reading and demonstrating basic plans and blueprints, calculating and placing concrete, constructing brick and block walls, framing, cutting roof rafters, plumbing skills, electrical skills, and so much more. Once you complete the building construction course, you could then pursue a career path including joining the Carpenters Union, owning your own construction company, attending a technical school or college, and/or entering an apprenticeship program. Building construction occupations, an education you can build your future with.